Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this animated infographic in PowerPoint. So first of all, open up a blank PowerPoint presentation. Insert around the corner rectangle, make it fully rounded. Go to format shapes, and from here we're going to give it a dark outline of white color. And for the insert shape color, I'm going to use a gradient. Now let me just duplicate it. And then let me just change the color fill for the other rounded corner rectangle. Also, what I'm gonna do is give it an outline, duplicate both these rectangles and put them side by side like this. Now let's insert a circle in between, in the middle and the center of your template. Give it a white fill and an outline. Now what we have to do is change the background fill to gray and give a gray and white gradient for the fill of the circle. And now let me just give it some shadow and insert a text box. Increase the size of the text box, give it some spacing between the letters, and what we're gonna do is then put this outline from the shapes just next to this circle that connects the shape with the circle one by one like this. Make sure that all your shapes are fully rotated so that you can just adjust it in a good way. And then what we're going to do is change the fill for the outline color. And next what we're going to do is just put another outline into our template, and we're going to attach the shapes again. Here you go. Make sure that you give them a light color, and also you have to make sure that the shapes are together. Now what we're going to do is duplicate the slide, and we're going to go to animate and give them the zoom animation, and then we're going to give it timing. So yeah, this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon.